Hey, 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 come sing with me. 7 days in a week, let's see. Clap your hands and dance this way. Let's learn the day. Hip, hip, hooray. The Monday's the day we rise and shine. Pack our bags, it's school time. Books and pencils, off we go. Learning new things helps us grow. Tuesday's bright and full of cheer. Drawing pictures far and near. Colors splash, red, blue, green. The happiest day we've ever seen. Now Wednesday's fun, it's halfway there. Sharing fruits and showing care. Apples, bananas, grapes, so sweet. Healthy snacks we love to eat. Thursday's here, we clean and play. Tidy up and shout, hooray! Help our friends and sing along. Sharing makes our hearts so strong. Friday's here, we jump with glee. The weekend's coming, yippee, yippee, yippee. Dance around and shout hooray. Tomorrow's going to be a fun day. Saturday's time for games and fun. Play outside in the bright warm sun. Swing, slide, run and shout hooray. Saturday's our favorite day. Yay, Sunday's rest so soft and sweet. Stay at home, relax our feet. Story time and cozy dreams. Tomorrow starts a brand new week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too. Thursday, Friday, fun with you. Saturday, Sunday, we all say these are the days. Hip, hip, hooray.